Hello from Hong Kong and welcome to this week's market update. Market dynamics continue to be confused this week, with commodity prices falling before rising again, with 10-day volatility in black gold hitting its highest level since 2020 on news that the Suez Canal is blocked by a cargo ship that has run aground. Treasury yields have been stable, but growth stocks have been unable to capitalize on this, with some sharp falls on Wednesday as the rotation trade continues. Geopolitical tensions between Western nations and China continue, with H&M and Nike both being caught up in a social media scolding by Chinese netizens. Both firms have raised concerns over forced labor in the Xinjiang region and refused to buy cotton. Stocks for both brands fell, with Nike down more than 8% over the last 5 days. Work-life balance came to the forefront this week, with Goldman Sachs responding to complaints by junior bankers of poor working conditions and working hours exceeding 100 hours per week. Goldman boss David Solomon responded by saying the company will begin to enforce its Saturday off rule, seemingly saying that 6-day work weeks will continue. Jane Fraser, the newly appointed Citigroup CEO, took the opportunity to encourage Zoom-free Fridays and that video calls should be scheduled within standard work hours, and the bank will have a company-wide day off in May. Credit Suisse announced a one-off bonus payment on top of recently paid bonuses of an additional $20,000 to all junior bank staff. Now, few may feel sorry for highly paid, albeit overworked, investment bank staff, but with bank profits and share prices ballooning and the younger generation focus on quality of life over purely financial reward, perhaps institutions that offer friendlier work environments may begin to attract top talent. Finally, for this week, the EU will prioritise its own vaccine supply in an attempt to improve what has been a bumpy start to its vaccine rollout. The EU is significantly behind countries like the UK and US and has been mired in messy political posturing rather than focusing on scientific-based evidence. In an embarrassing move, Italian police raided a factory in northern Italy producing vaccines for UK-Swedish drug maker AstraZeneca, impounding vaccines they deduced were bound for the United Kingdom, only later to realise they had impounded vaccines for the Italian market. Less undercutting of drug companies and smoke and mirrors over supply issues, and more focus on actually encouraging Europeans to get vaccinated and coordinating the rollout. Europe needs to quickly catch up or risk being left behind.